Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching numbers in Sotho. Mashumi amahlanu. Mashumi amahlanu. Mashumi amahlanu means 50. Khulu lililing. Likhulu lililing. Likhulu lililing means 100. Sekete silising. Sekete silising. Sekete silising means 1000. Sekete lilikhulu lililing. Sekete lilikhulu lililing. Sekete lilikhulu lililing means 100,000. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.